Hi guys, today I will show you how to create YouTube channel step by step. Please watch this video till end. It will help you to get all the details. Let's start. First open the YouTube and click on sign in. You can log in with your Gmail account. I am doing login now. It's loading, just a minute. Now you can click on right hand side and click create a channel. And you can give your channel name. You can give any name. Let's say education channel. Let's create channel here. It will take, yeah. Now you can see your channel has created with this name. Now you can start upload the video. How to upload? So you can see right inside one camera icon is here, so you can click on it and click on upload the video. Thank you watching for this video. If this video will help you, please like and subscribe to my channel to get new videos. Thank you so much. See you on next video. Thank you guys.